Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay Castro MUA. Today I decided to create this dark brown smoky eye look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. And if you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching. First, I'm starting with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Original. Next, I'll be setting it with the MAC Prep and Prime Setting Powder.
It's delicious.
Today, I'll be using the Pure Cosmetics Dreamworks Trolls Palette. Check out these colors, they're so pretty. So, each of the colors has one of the characters' names. I haven't watched the movie in a while, but it's a really good movie. First shade I'll be taking is Fuzzy and applying that just above the crease. I applied Fuzzy right above the crease, and I forgot to mention that I used the Morphe E28 brush. With the same brush, I'm going to be going into DJ Suki and applying that right underneath Fuzzy, so kind of just blending it in. With a Royal and Nickel brush, I'll be using the BMX 430 crease brush. These names are ridiculous. I'm going into Hugger, and I'll be applying this color all over the lid, as well as blending it into the two colors I applied before. With a Lottie London packing brush, I'm going into the color Bergentown, which is this dark brown shade with sparkles in it. And I'm going to pack that all over the lid. With the same crease brush that I used Hugger for, I'm going to take a little bit and blend the darker shade into Hugger. Next, I'm taking the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I'm going to wing out my eye. I've completed one eye. I'm going to complete the other off of camera, and I'll be right back when it's done. I'm going to be priming my face with the Smashbox Radiance Photo Finish Foundation Primer. For foundation today, I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in 260.
It's delicious.
Next, I'll be using the Becca Aqua Luminous Perfecting Concealer in Fair. I'll be setting it with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. While my face sets, I'm going to move on to my eyebrows, and today I'll be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade in medium brown. So what I usually like to do is I just take a little bit of product, okay, on my brush, and then I play with it in here to warm it up, and also so it's not too thick and not too dark, because this is very pigmented. See, I kind of just brush it around in here, so there's just enough on my brush to be able to do my eyebrows to where it's not so pigmented and so thick. I'm going to finish my other brow
off of camera and I'll be right back. My eyebrows are done and I'm going to sweep all the excess powder off my face. With the Luxie 237 blending brush, I'm going to go into Fuzzy and apply it to my bottom lash line. With the Verimona packing brush, I'm going to go into Hugger and apply it closer to the lash line. With the Lottie London packing brush, I'm going to go into Bergentown and apply that right underneath the lash line. I'm going to blend it all in with the Luxie 237 blending brush. Moving on to mascara, I'll be using the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara for my top lashes.
It's delicious.
For the bottom lash line, I'll be using the L'Oreal Paris Voluminous Lash Paradise Waterproof Mascara. I will be applying lashes today and I'll be using the Icon eyelashes in Drunken Love. They're really pretty. I am an affiliate with Icon Lashes, so if you do want to save some money at checkout, use code JCastroMUA. I will be applying these off of camera and I'll be right back when they're on. These lashes are fierce. To bronze my face, I'm going to be using the Bronze Essentials Beaut Basics. What I love about this is that there is a little bit of glitter, and basically it just gives you like a nice sun-kissed effect. Next, I'll be highlighting with the IBY Highlight and Contour Palette and going into Contour 2, which is that middle shade. I'm going to be using the MAC blush. No, I'm not. Oh, there we go. I'm going to be using the MAC blush in Blushbaby and my favorite Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush. For highlight today, I'll be using the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. Oh my god. Honestly, this is like favorite drugstore highlighter. You don't even understand. Look at that. Oh my god. Blinding. For my inner corner highlight, I'll be using the Trolls palette again and going into Karma. So for lips today, I'm going to be using the ColourPop and I Love Seta E collection. I'll be using the shade 951 in both the liner and the satin lip.
It's delicious.
On top, I'll be using the I Love Seta E and ColourPop Curvy Lip Gloss. I'm going to set my face with the NYX Dewy Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. And that, guys, concludes my dark brown smoky eyed look. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel by hitting that button down below. And I'll see you in my next video. The Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Portion. I just started and I'm already fucking up. MAC Prep and Prime Setting Powder. Where did that accent even come from? First shade I'll be shaking. Bear, come on. I'm going to be priming my face with the Smashbox and moving on to mascara. I'm going to fill it with Icon lashes, so if you don't want it, I am an affiliate with Icon. I'm an affiliate with Icon Ashes. DY Beauty Highlight and Contour Palette. Why do I always say palette? For highlight today, I'll be using Mike!